wabarakatuh to all participants. I am Raja Mazhar Farid bin Raja Mukhtar, a registered patent agent and also a PhD student at UPM. Would like to present to you a presentation titled Establishing Impactful Innovation with Undisputed Novel Inventions in a Patent System. My presentation is divided into background, research methodology, results and discussion, and lastly closure. In care economy, innovation plays a role in generating wealth of a nation. Ideas generated need to be commercialized, therefore they become innovation. From invention to innovation. Universities are the place where ideas are generated. Inventions are needed to be proven novel through patent system first. Then it creates value to be invested by the investors. According to literatures, there are several criteria in order for an invention to be regarded as highly innovative invention. The criteria are: it is new field of technology, it is invented from multidisciplinary knowledge, it is utilizing existing resources, and it is possessing multiple applications. Let's take a look at timeline of patent system. The timeline is comprising three stages, which are pre-filing stage, filing stage, and post-filing stage. At the pre-filing stage, it is where the ideation takes place. And at the filing stage, it is where patent protection starts. And at the post-filing stage, it is usually where commercialization starts. The commercialization can be licensing or assignment, and this is where the investment made by the investors to the invention. And let's take a look at technology innovation life cycle and funding opportunities. From this diagram, we can see the life cycle comprising 9 TRLs. What is TRLs? It is technology readiness level. At TRL 5 onwards, it is where the investments of the inventions are made by the investors. So, it is from applied research to technology implementations. So, what's the problem? The investors would only invest, which is the beginning of innovation process, when the novelty of the invention is proven. Currently, it is proven late in the timeline of patent system, which is when the patent is granted. In technology innovation life cycle, it is TRL onwards. Therefore, it becomes lesser advantageous to the investors against the timing. The sooner the novelty is proven, the better. And the problem statement based on the background problem would be: there is a need for establishing impactful innovation with undisputed novel inventions in the patent system in order to give competitive advantages to the investors. Let's take a look at research methodology. For this research, I did a literature survey on topic of patent system, which is what RQ construct according to Ibrahim 2008 and 2011. From the patent system, it is comprising 3 subthemes, which are timeline, components, and advantages of patent system. After the literature survey, I will propose ideal patent system model and recommend for innovation policy of universities. Results and discussions. Based on the surveys, there are 3 propositions for patent system. First, for timeline of patent system, it is proposed to develop patent granting incentives to encourage funding during inventing stage, which may include expediting patent granting procedure. For components of patent system, it is proposed that novelty quality and innovation quality of an idea could be indicated using patent citations. And for advantages of patent system, it is proposed that patent information is like an engine. As a component of a patent system, it is utilized throughout the process, from ideation to innovation and venturing into new technology. In summary, based on the survey, it is proposed that policy changes, including funding during ideation, expedited patent granting procedure, timely commercialization activity, which utilizing patent information throughout all the process could lead to more quality of invention, hence becoming more impactful innovation. Here is my proposed ideal patent system framework. It is comprising 5 parameters, which are funding, ideal, patent granting procedure, timing of commercialization, and source of information. For funding, the funding should be initiated at the ideation stage. The funding should cover local and international patent protection, and the funding should cover commercialization stages as well. For idea, the idea should be in new field of technology, invented from multidisciplinary knowledge, possessing multiple application, and utilizing existing resources. For patent granting procedure, it is proposed that a pre-examination search procedure should be conducted, and expedited patent granting procedure should be applied to all patent applications. For timing of commercialization, the commercialization should be at ideation stage, and the source of information should be patent information. This is recommendations for universities for their new innovation policy. It is comprising 3 major aspects, which are funding, ideation activities, and patent granting procedure. For funding, the investors shall be invited at the early ideation stage. The funding covers patent protections, and universities are expected to present novel ideas before the investors. For ideation activities, the ideation activities should be equipped with high-quality patent database and analytics tools in order to produce high-quality inventions. And for patent granting procedure, the specification of patent application shall contain extensive critical analysis of prior arts in the description section in order to convince the patent examiners that this patent application is highly novel. For closure, what is the importance of this study? This study contributes in making innovation as the engine of the economy. It is expected to provide structured framework to enhance competitiveness of novel ideas, and it is expected to encourage more industry participation during fundamental research stage at the research universities. It is suggested that it has to be a study of a framework of knowledge management in research universities for producing ideal innovative inventions in the future. With that, thank you.